Nice, baby. Chevrolet.
It's amazing. It's just like tasty.
Nice, baby. Looking for us. Vintage ko. Chevrolet. Itong kakarkargahan ng una. Oh, this one 19 oh, pinandar na luma. Puro Chevrolet Toyota Toyota Starlet. Ito yung maliit. Nice, ang cute. Ito, Camaro pa rin. Million ito. Oh my God. Like this. Ang dami dito nagpipreserve ng road ng sasakyang magagara. Burn Building, New Zealand. There you go. Rusty Rhodes. Awesome. 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 Grabe. Ganda. Nice. Hudson. This one is the Hudson. There you go, Hudson. Ito na si Hudson. Anong version ni Hudson? Hudson Hornet. Trainer ni McQueen. Diba? Queen's trainer. Oh.
Good, how are you? Good, mate. How you going? Very good, good. Good, nice stage.
Ford. Awesome. Mustang. Siswal. Mustang. Legend. Guys, mahangin. Nice. Okay pa to eh. Pwede pa ma-restore to. Kaya pa. Buo pa oh. Original pumping. I think so. Nice. The red rustic. The red rustic. Awesome. Woo! Ganda, ganda talaga. Grabe. Stick talaga. Napakaganda. Sa kabila. Nilibutin natin lahat to. Wow. Building Road Classic Club. Ganda oh. Ford. Ano kaya to? Mustang. Ford Mustangs. Puro Mustangs dito. Ford Mustangs na naman. Kahit yan to, okay na sa akin eh. Ito. to Indian Stock 777. Oh, grabe. Nice.
Are you not around?
Oh, wala na. I love old cars talaga. What's this thing? Sam. Grabe. Nice. Ganda. Cute Chevrolet 1938. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Another Chevrolet again. What's this stick there? Oh, my God. Holy moly, what's this? Ito yung karera dun sa ano eh. Fast and Furious, luma. Here we go. Classic one. Grabe, aking mata busog na busog. Oh, ito yung laruan ko nung araw, truck-truckan. Nice. You see, still living. Chevrolet again. Chevrolet. What is Ford Falcon. Fairmont. Ganda, Fairmont.
Stupid ex-girlfriend passed me off one night.
Commodore Wago 1983. Nice. Usual. Malupit itong anak ko. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Napakaganda. Grabe talaga. Oh, Cooper. How are you, Cooper? Yun naman ako. Pagong. How are you, Cooper? Cooper is but this one is the best. Grabe naman. Dodge. Malupit naman ito. High-tech na ito. Bumblebee. Dodge. New Zealand. Wala ba tayo makikita ang Amaze? Lupit ito. Wow, my God. Awesome. Cute. Oh, so cute. Oh. What's that? It's good to the building. Wow, may talaga. Oh. Chevrolet talaga ang kakaiba dito. Kagaya nito. Ito yung katropa ni McQueen eh. Ito yung pinagagasgas niya ilalim. Tsaka ito. Ascari wala dito. Humber. Nice. Humber 80. Ito ay Chevrolet again. Hello. Daming Chevrolet. Chevrolet Mustang. Puro yun yung nakikita ko. Ford. Ah, ito na si McQueen. Tropa ni McQueen. Oh, ito. I like this. Ayan. Ford. Ah, lang yan. Chevrolet Mustang GTR V8 Ford. Oh my god. Sign V8 Ford. Wala mo to. Chevrolet to. Hindi na siya orig. Oh, walang ano. Leon ang tatak. Ah. Oh, good. All goods. All goods. So daw. Bili tayo nun. Ah. So naikot na natin dito. Ang ganda talaga. Napaka-awesome. Oh, still living, man. Nice. Tara, nakuha na natin yan. Tayo sa kabila. Ito yung mga nakakay McQueen. Ito tropa ni McQueen. Tapos si nandun. Tapos si Hodson. Nasa si Hodson. Yun doon si Hodson. Hanap tayong tropa ni McQueen. Ito. Gusto kong makita yung Cadillac eh. 1902 ba yun? Nakita ko yung sa Samsung eh. Sayang hindi po marada. Cadillac. Nice baby. Nice baby. Grabe. What's this? Holden. So, nice. Holden. Another version of Holden. Yun ba isang manufacturer ng Holden? Parang Chevrolet din. Commodores like. Get to be free. Get to be free. Ito yung tropa ni McQueen eh. Ito nga yun. Pero hindi. Lightning McQueen. GMC. Tagpi na Ford year. Grabe na hangin, so windy. Okay na, nalibot na natin. Isang ikot pa dito sa kanan, hindi nyo nakita.
The tree. So
nice, ganda GTR. Ito ang model to guys. Ganda. Na-restore na sila. Hindi, not sure kung orig yung paint nito, pero I think orig ito. Pinating lang. Orig ito, orig. Original to. Yeah, panghakot. Ano pare, oh son, look at that man.
Who's inside that car?
So windy. Yeah. Nice. Astig. Nice one. Nice. Ganda.
Here's the Mark 1 Zodiac.
Astig. Ganda. Awesome. Body vibration 67. Oh, wow, nice. Ford again. What version is this? Model this. Ito yung tumatakit sa taas. Grabe. I'd love to hold it one. Uy, grabe. Hello, Ford again. The old one. For business, sales, service. Talagang luma na. Yeah. Lapat naman ito eh. Grabe naman ito. Ito lang nakita kong Toyota dito guys. Ito lang, Toyota Starlet. Diba? Nag-iisang Toyota sa pag-iikot ko. I got this. The only one Toyota car. I got Chevrolet, Ford. That model I found. Hudson. I don't know what manufacturer of Hudson. I will show you it again. It's my favorite one. Grabe. There we go. So tatlo yung nakita kong tropa ni McQueen. Yung camper doon. Tapos Ito si Hudson, his trainer. I don't think so this version is actually in McQueen movie, Lightning McQueen, but this is not the real Hudson. But anyway, I'm glad to see this one. Yeah. Right, galing na tayo dito. So that's it. So yun, kita na natin. Nakita ko na. Ito na. Nakita ko na nga. Oh my god. The block. I love this. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Okay na, hanggang dito na lang. Kung ano na nakikita natin. So amazing. Check the sausage. Bili tayo. Only for $2. Sarap balikan. Grabe. Picture naman tayo. Picture naman tayo, man. So hanggang dito na lang tayo, guys. Thank you for watching. Abangan natin yung next video. So, vintage car again here in Fielding, New Zealand. Ito yung sa tropa ni McQueen. Binabalikan ko ulit. I think this one. Ito yun. Yan. Tsaka ito. Na not mistaken. Alright.